Good morning students. As we have completed our second chapter, non-material heritage. Okay, so we have completed the chapter as there are many topics in this chapter. So we have discussed about the firstly what is the meaning of non-material heritage. Then we have talked about the different type of classical dance, folk dance belongs to different states. Then music, art and craft, skills, traditional medicine, about Ayurveda. Okay, so now we will do the practice zone second. Okay, practice zone second. This is given in your discovery book of SST. Okay, so open the book, page number 38. So we have to do this practice zone. So look at the first question. So we have given the words, okay, we have given these words. So we have to unscramble these words to discover some musical instrument. Okay, so जो आपको ये words दिए हुए हैं, इनको आपको एक correct form में arrange करके musical instruments के name बनाने हैं. Okay, so how can you make? Look at the first. U M R M H A O N I. So हमें ये वर्ड दिया हुआ है, तो इसमें से हमें ऐसे वर्ड्स को अरेंज करना है सही फॉर्म में कि हमारे पास एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नेम आए. ओके, सो इससे हम क्या बना सकते हैं? वी हैव टू थिंक फर्स्ट व्हाट कैन बी मेक. U M R M H A O N I. Okay, so we can make, like we have given many type of musical instrument like dholak, tabla, veena, flute. Okay, so harmonium. Okay, so we can make the word like H. Firstly we will take the H, then we have A, H A, then we can take, like we have to write, we write H here, H, then A taken from here, R, okay, R, M, O, N, I, U, M, then what it make? Harmonium. Okay, सो इस वर्ड से हमने कौन सा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नेम बना लिया? हारमोनियम. ओके, हारमोनियम. सो हारमोनियम इज द नेम ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. लुक एट द सेकंड. वी हैव NVAEE. सो इट सीम्स सो सिंपल. व्हाट वी कैन मेक? NAVEE. So we can make it, we can write VEENA. So what is this? VEENA. It's Veena. 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 Okay. VEENA. Veena. Then we have NVLOII. NVLOII. Then we can write VIOLIN. Violin. Okay, so veena, violin, these are also the name of musical instrument. So from C we have made VIOLIN, violin. Okay, so this is LTAAB. So it does not make any sense. So we can write TABLA. 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 Okay, so this is tabla. Then we have OHDKLA. OHDKLA. Odalka. So it does not make, it also does not make any sense. So we can write DHOLAK. DHOLAK, DHOLAK, ढोलक. Okay, so students, we have done these words, like we can write in a correct form. So from first we have make harmonium, from second veena, from C violin, from D tabla, and from E dholak. Okay, now look at the second question. How is classical dance different from folk dance? So we have to tell the difference between classical dance and folk dance. So you students, tell me, what is the difference between classical dance and folk dance? We have discussed. Okay, you have to learn the classical dance, about the classical dance and folk dance. What is the name of folk dance of Rajasthan? What is the name of folk dance of Punjab? Okay, so you have to learn. So the difference between classical and folk dance is, first, classical dance is performed in temple. Okay, classical dance is performed in temple, and folk dance is performed on different occasions like wedding, childbirth, harvesting, crop, etc. Okay, folk dance is performed on different occasions, on wedding, childbirth, harvesting crops, etc. Okay, so this is the difference between classical dance and folk dance. Okay, now we have practice zone third. Okay, now we have practice zone third. So first we have fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So see the first, Europeans brought dash and dash to India. So in the food topic, we have discussed that many type of food items, and these are now major part of our diet. So these items come from outside India. Okay, several centuries ago, हजारों साल पहले वो हमारे कंट्री में आई दूसरी कंट्री से. ओके, तो मीन्स सालों पहले वी कैन से. सो यूरोपियन है जो, उन्होंने चिल्ली एंड पोटैटो लेके आए इंडिया में. यूरोप से हमें क्या मिला? चिल्लीज एंड पोटैटोज. ओके, चिल्लीज एंड पोटैटोज. पोटैटोज मीन्स यस आलू, एंड चिल्लीज मीन्स मिर्च. ओके, सेकेंड, द तंदूर ऑन विच वी कुक आवर नान. जिस तंदूर, जिसको कि रोटी बनाने के लिए, नान बनाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है, केम फ्रॉम डैश. सो द तंदूर ऑन विच वी कुक आवर नान और चपाती, दैट केम फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल एशिया. ओके, सेंट्रल एशिया. नाउ द थर्ड, सी that we eat sevaiya on dash. So in which festival we eat sevaiya? On Eid and on Pongal rice. Okay, so we eat sevaiya on Eid. Okay, we eat sevaiya on Eid, E-I-D. Then D, dash came from Central Asia. Dash came from Central Asia. So if we see the history, so we can see the people wear the we can say clothes in form of dhotis, sarees, shawl and dupattas. Okay, so it means Indian subcontinent wore unstitched clothes. Okay, people used to wear unstitched clothes, and stitched clothes came to India from Central Asia. Okay, so stitched clothes came from Central Asia, and now stitched clothes are worn all over the country. Okay, so these are fill in the blanks. First is European brought chilies and potatoes to India. Second, the tandoor on which we cook our naan came from Central Asia. The tandoor on which we cook our naan came from Central Asia. We eat sevaiya on Eid. Stitched clothes came from Central Asia. Okay, so we have done this fill in the blanks. The next question: which traditional customs do you follow at your home on special occasion or festivals? So write this question you have to do yourself. Write the name of traditional customs that you follow at your home on special occasion like wedding or festival like Holi, Diwali. Okay, so you have to write the answer of this question yourself. Okay, so students, we have completed the practice zone 2nd and 3rd. So write the answer of the question, fill in the blanks. Okay, correct the spellings. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.